Hello viewers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing the top plants and features of gardens which attract snakes. While many people seek ways to keep snakes at bay, it's essential to understand the flip side. Certain plants can attract these reptiles. These plants provide food, shelter, or an ideal habitat for snakes, making your garden or yard more appealing to them. This video delves into the top plants and features of gardens that can attract snakes and explains why they do so. Snakes are often attracted to certain types of plants due to the food and shelter these plants provide. Here are the top plants and features of gardens which snakes find attractive. Number 1. Tall grasses. These are from the Poaceae family. They provide excellent cover for snakes to hide from predators and hunt their prey. They also help maintain moisture levels in the soil. Number 2. English ivy, also known as Hedera helix. Dense foliage creates thick, low-lying cover that offers perfect hiding spots for snakes. Number 3. Japanese pachysandra, also known as Pachysandra terminalis. It forms a dense mat that provides excellent ground cover, ideal for snakes seeking shelter. Number 4. Periwinkle. The botanical name is Vinca minor. Another ground cover plant that creates a thick carpet, offering plenty of hiding spots for snakes. Number 5. Boxwood. Also known as Buxus sempervirens, it is dense and close to the ground, providing excellent shelter and a safe haven for snakes. Number 6. Privet. Also called ligustrum, these shrubs provide thick foliage and can act as a safe shelter for snakes. Number 7. Common blackberry. The botanical name is Rubus fruticosus. The dense, thorny canes provide excellent cover and the berries attract rodents, which are prey for snakes. Number 8. Common tomato. Also known as Solanum lycopersicum, the dense foliage and fallen fruit attract insects and rodents, which in turn attract snakes. Number 9. Mint. The botanical name of mint is mentha. It creates dense foliage that can serve as a good hiding spot for snakes. Number 10. Cedar tree. Also known as cedrus, the cedar tree's aromatic scents attract snakes. The dense foliage and ground cover acts as shelter or hiding spots for snakes. It is also a cool and moist environment which snakes strongly prefer. The structure of cedar trees provides snakes with a safe habitat, protecting them for potential predators. Number 11. Clover. Also known as Trifolium repens, clover is an herbaceous plant that grows on the ground and has 3-lobed heart-shaped leaves with pink or white globular flower heads. The density of this plant is an advantage for snakes to hide and camouflage. Number 12. Citrus tree. It is also known as just citrus alone. The citrus tree allures snakes because of the fruits that fall under it, which attract their prey. This provides snakes with food. This kind of habitat works well for them as they can stay hidden and the cool, damp environment is attractive to snakes. Number 13. Cypress tree. Also known as cupressus, the cypress tree may lure snakes to visit because their prey often builds nests underneath its dense foliage. It is a wet, moist environment preferred by snakes. The extensive system of roots is also great for snakes to find shelter. Number 14. Jasmine vines. Also known as jasminum, the vines offer shade, cover and dampness that snakes need. It also attracts insects, which easily attracts snakes. Jasmine vines provide snakes with dense foliage to hide under. Number 15. Juniper bushes. Also known as Juniperus communis, juniper bushes lure snakes because of the rodents attracted to this shrub, which offers food and a dense home. It also a cooler type of microhabitat which snakes are attracted to. Number 16. Hostas. Hostas is also known as plantain lilies. Snakes are attracted to reside underneath the leaves of this plant, which offers tropical vibes to any garden. It also contains many slugs and insects, which works as a food source for any snakes in the area. The damp area is preferred strongly by snakes. Number 17. Milkweed. Also known as Asclepias, milkweed is one of the plants that attract snakes, offering a perfect hiding place to watch their prey from a distance. It grows dense in sunny areas, and snakes often take shelter under the plants to avoid excessive heat. It also provides food, as insects also find this plant attractive. Number 18. Palm trees. Palm trees belong to Ericaceae family. Palm trees attract snakes because rats and mice, which are their favored meals, often take refuge in coconut tree trunks. Number 20. Sandalwood tree. It is also known as Santalum album. Like other reptiles, snakes are cool-blooded animals that love to stay under the sun to warm up their body and take shelter under the shade to cool them up. Sandalwood trees provide a shady space for snakes. Also, this plant attracts many insects and birds which are prey for snakes. Number 21. Mulched gardens. Although it is not a plant, mulched gardens can attract snakes. The mulch keeps the soil cool and moist, creating a favorable environment for snakes. Mulch also attracts insects and small rodents, which are primary prey for snakes. Number 22. Rock gardens. Rock gardens often incorporate plants such as sedums and succulents that thrive in rocky environments. The spaces between rocks provide excellent hiding spots for snakes. Number 23. Pond plants. Aquatic plants around ponds, such as water lilies and cattails, can attract snakes. These plants provide cover and attract frogs and insects, which are prey for snakes. While these plants provide numerous benefits to your garden, from aesthetics to supporting biodiversity, they can also create an inviting environment for snakes. Understanding the types of plants that attract snakes can help you make informed decisions about your garden's layout and maintenance. While many of these plants offer significant botanical benefits, they can also create an environment conducive to snakes. By implementing proper garden maintenance and natural deterrents, you can enjoy a beautiful garden while minimizing the risk of attracting these reptiles.